The U.S. defended the deployment of the Navy Marine Expeditionary Ship Interdiction System or Nemesis missile system for the Balikatan Exercises 2025. This move had previously drawn strong opposition from China, including the continued presence of mid-range capability or the Typhoon missile system, which the U.S. has responded to.
If you don't intend to breach the territorial integrity of the Philippines, then you shouldn't have a concern about weapon systems that are intended to ensure the defense of the Philippines.
The Nemesis missile system arrived in the Philippines last week and will be used in maritime key terrain security operations of Balikatan in northern Luzon and the Batanes Islands. Although there will be simulated fire missions for other systems, there will be no live fire exercise that will involve the Nemesis. The Nemesis is expected to remain in the Philippines after Balikatan and could be used in other future exercises. Around 14,000 Filipino and American troops are participating in the Balikatan Exercises 2025, which officially began this Monday. There are also observers from 20 other countries. This marks the 40th iteration of the Balikatan exercise since its inception in 1991. It highlights the strengthened ties between the Philippines and the United States and reaffirms the continued commitment to the 1951 Mutual Defense Treaty.
Over the decades, it has adeptly responded to evolving threats, expanding its scope and enhancing its significance.
President Marcos Jr. has always recognized the historic and personal ties of the Philippines and the United States. Under his leadership, the government and our private sector partners are advancing our alliance in accordance with our shared security, economic, and social-cultural objectives.
Balikatan will run for nearly 3 weeks, with most of the exercises happening in Northern Luzon and Palawan under the theme Full Battle Test across land, sea, air, and cyberspace. The official stressed that the drills are unrelated to the possibility of an invasion of Taiwan and are not aimed at any particular country. Coinciding with the opening of Balikatan at Camp Aguinaldo were protests from several groups opposing the exercise.
And it's a propaganda to discredit this activity, which is very helpful to both our armed forces, the U.S. and the Philippines.
Meanwhile, the AFP had denied a statement from China's People's Liberation Army Navy Southern Theater Command, claiming that it had driven away the Philippine Navy ship BRP Apolinare Mabini from Scarborough Shoal. The AFP called this malign information, asserting that only Philippine vessels have the authority and right to drive away other ships within our maritime zone. From the People's Television Network, Patrick De Jesus, Balita Pambansa.